Unlike most national solar companies, the design and technology team at Green Home Systems can custom design a solar energy system for you without having to send a pushy salesman to your home. How do we do it? Well, in order to get the physical measurements and contours of your roof, our team of design engineers uses high-resolution aerial imagery, proprietary measurement software, and 3D modeling technology to compile your report. All of this research and data goes into your Quick Quote, a truly no-hassle way for you to find out just how much you can save by switching to solar and ending utility company dependency for good. Our expert team generates these quick quotes in a matter of hours, providing you with all the technical product and cost information that you as a homeowner need in order to make an informed decision. You don't need to take time off your schedule to find out how much you can save by going solar. Just apply for your no-obligation solar consultation, sit back, and let us do the work. Get your Green Home Systems Quick Quote today.